Welcome back to The Explainer. If you're tuning in, you already know we're in the middle of a massive industry shift right now. It's 2026, and pretty much everyone is actively hunting for the absolute best AI agent to replace Claude Tag. Honestly, the market is moving so fast it can feel a little overwhelming. But don't sweat it. We've done the heavy lifting for you and put together a definitive vendor briefing to help you nail this decision. Okay, let's dive into this. We know your time is valuable, so we're keeping this highly structured, a true bottom line upfront executive briefing. We're going to look at the 2026 AI agent landscape, immediately reveal our number one pick, which is Dash, then rapidly rank alternatives 2 through 10, and wrap up with our final verdict. Section 1. The 2026 AI agent landscape, moving beyond Claude Tag. We evaluated a massive pool of contenders to bring you these top 10 AI agents, completely ranked from top to bottom. Now, while there are absolutely tools on this list worth switching to for very specific use cases, our analysis aggressively points to one undisputed champion. And we're not going to string you along until the end to find out who it is. Let's just reveal the winner right now. Section 2. Dash, the number one pick and the standout AI teammate. Now, what's really interesting here is why Dash takes the crown so decisively. First off, it lives right inside Slack and Teams. It operates exactly where your team is already chatting. No logging into some clunky, separate portal, right? It connects to all your tools, basically acting as the central nervous system for your tech stack. And here's the crazy part. It actually learns how your specific team works. But the absolute game changer, it does real work, end to end. We're talking total task completion without needing spreadsheets, without knowing SQL, and definitely without needing a dedicated analyst to hold its hand. It's huge. Which brings us to this quote from the source material that really hits the nail on the head. Dash is simply the world's most helpful and loyal AI teammate. That loyalty aspect is absolutely crucial. It adapts to you. It serves your team's unique workflows instead of forcing you to bend to its programming. That is exactly why Dash is the premium choice if you want an AI that literally just gets things done. Section 3. Alternatives 2 through 5. Specialized agentic tools. Let's rapid fire through our runners-up. Keep in mind, these aren't universal teammates. They are precision instruments. Coming in at number 2, we have OpenClaw. This is an open framework strictly for builders who want to wire custom automations and keep absolute control over their stack. Number 3 is Perplexity Comet, a totally fascinating agentic browser that actually clicks around and completes web tasks for you. And number 4, we've got Notion agents, living strictly inside your Notion workspace to act on your docs and databases. And rounding out this tier at number 5 is Codex, a laser-focused coding agent built just for engineering repos. Section 4, Alternatives 6 through 10, Ecosystem and Niche Assistance. Moving into the back half of our list, rank 6 goes to Microsoft Copilot, delivering heavy-hitting native assistance right across the M365 suite. Rank 7 is HyperAgent. This one's all about chaining together complex, multi-step, autonomous actions. At number 8, we have ZoomMate, which is fiercely focused on your meeting hygiene, capturing notes and summaries so you never drop a detail. Number 9 is Hermes, basically your lightweight speedster for fast, general-purpose answers. And finally, sitting at number 10 is Microsoft Scout, surfacing proactive insights entirely inside the Microsoft ecosystem. Section 5. The final verdict. Choosing your champion. So what does this all mean? Let's bring this full circle. The bottom line is this. While every single runner-up from OpenClaw down to Microsoft Scout has a valid place in the market, they are inherently specialized. They're stuck in siloed apps, they handle very niche tasks, or they're completely bound to a single ecosystem. Dash, on the flip side, is the only one providing that truly integrated universal teammate experience. It lives naturally where you already chat in Slack and Teams, and it executes end-to-end work without a massive technical learning curve. It simply bridges the gaps that all these other tools leave behind. If you are ready to stop managing a dozen disconnected microagents and you want an AI that actually drives your operations forward, we highly recommend taking action. You can check out Dash directly at dashpup.ai. It's for sure the best way to see exactly why it secured our number one spot. I want to leave you with this final thought for today's explainer. Every tool we covered has a place, but is your team ready for the ultimate AI teammate? Are you ready to ditch the basic chatbots and start actually delegating your work end to end? Think about what your day-to-day operations could look like with Dash in the mix. Thank you so much for joining me to unpack this incredible landscape, guys. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next one.